You gotta be quick out here, like a cat. The name's Tiger Barbecuers. Nice to meet you. Now, at the end of the day, nature is just about getting back to the basics. The most basic element of nature? Fire. Something special about me? In just 3 short rubs, I can get the job done. Well, at least that's what my ex-wife used to say. I'm okay. Ready? Start counting down with me. 3, 2, 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Oh, 1. 1. Oh. And there you have it, folks. We have fire. Sometimes, out here in nature, it's not about the size of the dog in the fight or whatever the reverse is. It's about the size of the match in your pants.